How to cancel account access of T-Mobile ID. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, you need to head over to Phone app. Once you're inside the dial pad, simply enter this number and then dial it. The call representative will pick up your call. They will ask you several questions. You will need to answer it honestly. Also, you need to state them that why you want to cancel a T-Mobile ID. Once they are confirmed, after 24 hours, they will cancel their T-Mobile access, and then you'll be good to go. If not, you can also head over to any of the web browser, and then move into T-Mobile customer service. Head over to the very first site, Contact Us. Tons of different mobile numbers will be visible to you. You can simply dial any of the number, and then tell them why you want to cancel your ID. You can also do the live chat with them, and then state the same reason on why you want to cancel it. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.